Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Ultra X Hugger here with me for a quick maintenance improvement video and unboxing as well, because this is the first time I'm opening this box right over here. So let's see what we have going. There you go. So, alright, it's pretty thick. Right off the box, let's check the action. It's a little bit uncentered, just a tiny bit favoring presentation side. Action is alright. There's blade play for sure, and it falls nicely, but yeah, there's blade play 100%. So let's see if we can just fix this one, clean it up, and improve the action a little bit. So these guys, they're using this keyed-in pivot with this medium flathead screwdriver that I'm using here from Leatherman. Very, very loose pivot, no Loctite whatsoever. It's DLC coated, so just make sure you're gentle, because you're gonna scratch it pretty easily. This guy's out. We're gonna need a T6. There's 3 standoffs. Let's see. Yeah, no, I don't feel any Loctite. This was pretty loose actually, and this one as well. Yeah. So maybe we're gonna add just a little bit of blue Loctite also in the handle screws, and oh yeah, some nice liquid right over here. I don't know why, but yeah, we're gonna just clean that off with some alcohol swabs, like so. You see, it's like a greenish kind of grease or oil, I don't know, but anyways, we don't like it, and we are taking it off like so. So this guy, let's see, it opens up pretty easily. Let's just get rid of these. Let's take another one and let's clean it up real nice. This guy can go here. Okay, good. Pivot, it's cleaned like that. Let's also clean this side over here. So the liner is out, blade is out. Yeah. So these are plastic caged stainless steel bearings. Pivot is keyed in, and this is the other bearing with some sort of grease going on. Let's clean also all this area up. Here you go. Let's do, you know, why not? Just another pass. Just because we're thorough and we like clean stuff. So let's just use it like this actually. This was pretty. Let's clean also this side right over here. And just clean up the mat. Nice. Very, very good. So next, we go back to reassemble everything and see if we can center, remove the blade play. So these are like stainless steel bearings. So let's just do just a touch of 10 weight nano oil right over there. Then we're gonna need the keyed in pivot like so. Okay. And then bearing in. And then let's just add, oops, just a little bit of this nano oil also there. Very good, like so. Stop pin in, like exactly there. Then we're gonna need a little bit of nano oil also on this side, like so. Bearing number 2 is in very nicely. And you know what, why not just a little touch also on the liner right over there. Just align these 3 guys and just place this on top. And then we're gonna start with these screws to go right back in place, just a little bit at the beginning. You don't need to tighten them all the way down. This also is down, and this is also down. Very good, so that everything stay in place. Check that everything is nicely done. And now we're gonna do a little bit of blue Loctite for this pivot right over here, just like so. All right. And you can, just screw it in a little bit with your fingers, like that, and then just carefully. All right, let's see how we are doing. There's play. So let's just tighten this a little bit more. Now there's no play. Okay. And let's just also tighten the screws for the handle like that. Let's check the other side. That's all right. A little bit, and that's all right. Very good. So this is done. Okay. There's some grittiness left on the detent ball. We're gonna use 85 weight nano oil right over there. Just a little bit, you see? Just a little touch on the detent ball, and then just pull the liner down and do this movement. Actually, guys, this is not too bad, I have to say. There's no blade play. Blade is centered. Action is, look at this. Hey, I'm proud of myself. I improved the action of a $25, $30 knife. Guys, there you go. That's how you maintain and disassemble the Ultra Hex Auger. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.